Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use command blocks without operator privileges. Command blocks are incredibly powerful tools in Minecraft, allowing you to automate complex actions and customize your world in unique ways. They execute specific game commands when activated, opening up a world of possibilities for map creators and players alike. Understanding their function is the first step to harnessing their potential for your builds and adventures. For single-player worlds, using command blocks without being a server operator is straightforward. When you create a new world, simply ensure the Allow Cheats option is toggled on. If you're in an existing world without cheats, you can temporarily enable them by opening your game to LAN and selecting Allow Cheats. Remember, you'll need to be in creative mode to place and edit these special blocks. On multiplayer servers, using command blocks without operator status is more restricted. Generally, only players with operator privileges can place and configure command blocks. Server administrators must also enable command blocks within the server's configuration file. However, non-operator players can still interact with and activate command blocks that have already been placed and set up, usually through redstone mechanisms. To get started, obtain a command block by typing /give@sminecraft command block into your chat. Once placed, right-click to open its interface and input your command, like /say hello world. You can then power it with redstone, such as a button or lever. There are 3 types: impulse for one-time execution, chain for sequential commands, and repeat for continuous actions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.